Nusrat Barucha reaches Mumbai after being stranded in Israel. इसराइल और पैलेस्टीन के बीच ऑनगोइंग वॉर में फंस गई हमारी बॉलीवुड एक्ट्रेस नुसरत भरूचा amid Hamas attack. Amid Hamas attack, Nusrat Barucha was stranded in Israel as she was promoting her next Akeli at the Haifa International Film Festival in Israel. संडे की मॉर्निंग में नुसरत की पीआर टीम से पता चला दैट दे वर अनेबल टू रीच द एक्ट्रेस आउट एज शी हैड नो कनेक्शन और कुछ समय बाद नुसरत की मॉम ने जूम से एक्सक्लूसिवली बात करते हुए कंफर्म किया कि उनकी बेटी हैं सही सलामत और वो आ रही हैं इंडिया। इस खबर को नुसरत की टीम ने भी कंफर्म किया है। द एक्ट्रेस हैड अ कनेक्टिंग फ्लाइट एंड डिटेल्स वर केप्ट प्राइवेट कंसिडरिंग द क्रिटिकल सिचुएशन गोइंग इन इजराइल। कुछ घंटे बाद नुसरत भरूचा सही सलामत मुंबई में पहुंच गईं। एयरपोर्ट पर नुसरत को कैप्चर करने के लिए मौजूद थे paparazzi and the actress, who looked completely drained, kept on requesting them to let her get out of the way so that she can reach home safely and be with her parents. नुसरत के फेस से ही हमें पता लग रहा था कि वो खुद काफी सदमे में थी after going through a terrible time in Israel and being evacuated later on. Coincidentally, Nusrat ki movie Akeli is based on the true story of Middle Eastern women who face atrocities in the hands of terrorist organization ISIS. जूम के एक्सक्लूसिव इंटरव्यू के दौरान हमने नुसरत से अफगानिस्तान और इजराइल में चल रहे मुद्दों पर बात की थी, जहां औरतों के साथ बदसलूकी की जाती है, जिस पर द एक्ट्रेस सेड, जहां औरतों के साथ
maintaining it very nicely.
No, I'm
It's
very
good.
I'm very happy.
Happy.
My world.
Yeah.
आपको जो कुछ तो लोग बोलेंगे ना, उनका काम ही है बोलते रहो. I don't indulge in it.
Coming back to Akeli and the poster especially, it also reminds me of the fights of women in Afghanistan and the way they are treated. There are videos, there are so many videos, even in, Israel for that matter, if you see. Do you somewhere feel that sometimes, how many times, all of us say that, India mein ye ho raha hai, women centric ye nahi ho raha hai, wo nahi ho raha hai and all that. But overall in the world, a lot of things are happening, when it comes to women. Some women are not even allowed to talk. Is that a very strong message which Akeli is trying to portray out of this?
Akeli is not trying to portray the message of how and what the state of women are in those countries where there is a terrorist attack, or where the rule is of Taliban, for example, in Afghanistan.
Exactly.
Here we are basically trying to say that she left India, where she had a great family, safety, a great life, in a hope of earning money for her family. She went to another country, and this situation happened to her there, and she got stuck. And all she's trying to do is find her way back home. All she wants to do is come back. That is Akeli. But when she's there and when she's stuck, the things that had happened to people there, the stuff that she witnessed when she first reached Mosul, also when she landed there, was also bringing to light what happened to people when attack had happened on Iraq in 2014. Is also revisiting conversations and stories that this is what their lives had become.
Yes.
This is what was done to them. And women actually had faced the maximum amount of brutality under that regime and reign, because for them, women are treated like that.
Yes.
When you're saying they're not allowed to speak, imagine if they've captured a woman of another country there. For them, this is the subject of exploitation to another level. And then there's just torture. It was very important for us to say this story and this film because, as you said, Afghanistan has also just happened. So as much as we think कि एक बार हो गया था, ये दुनिया में वापस नहीं हो रहा है, किसी और देश में हुआ ही. And it honestly makes me feel, I feel very happy that I'm in India and I'm safe here, and I feel like, I see the state of what's happening around in the world, and I don't know how. Imagine if you were there.
Yeah.
You have this life here and suddenly you were there. अब कैसे करोगे?
जहां रियल लाइफ में नुसरत की मूवी की कहानी में एक ऐसा ट्विस्ट आता है where she is held hostage, रियल लाइफ में कुछ अनकैनी सा रिसेम्बलेंस विटनेस कर लिया है नुसरत ने, which was unpredictable. What does make us all happy and relieved is her homecoming after a tiring travel experience.